you get babe, you get serious relationship before you enter the house.
Yeah, I get babe before I enter the house.
So that make you not really involved with any babe, especially the be right. So you be like say like.
That one serve na part of the reason, but the most important reason be say big brother no be the final destination. And if I enter the house now, come begin the rub body, you know, on emotional basis. Waiting go come happen after.
Okay, okay. So now how you feel when you come out find out that Tinto you not marry get children?
Tinto Tony na man on your own. Tinto Tony na man on your own, and he did what he thought was right, right for him. So I feel say okay, maybe that was just his own game. As if he say big brother they always tell us say, not to put mind inside this matter, play your game. So everybody carry different baggages and different strategies.
Well, that year where they tell us say make una talk una secrets or una chop rubbish. Why all of una begin chop rubbish? What's be the secrets where fear una to expose reach like that?
I for tell you, but I don't already chop rubbish.
No, let me make you chop. I'm not a big sister. You understand? Anyway, Bassey, but I feel say that mind where you carry go BB, like okay, this is not the final bus stop. You know, a lot still day after Big Brother. So waiting you do, it also matter because if they forever recorded, especially online now and stuff like that. But again, the people go, they feel say okay, why Bassey even bother to go? Because you dare to sane for the insanity where they go. You normal, but what it drive you actually? What be your motivation to go Big Brother house?
First off, because Naija no dey carry last, me too I no go wan carry last.
Okay.
And we get many talents for Naija, and me I just see that Big Brother platform say, okay, this is a place where I fit do the little way I fit, you know.
Okay.
Maybe 1 or 2 persons fit see me, you understand? Fit, you know, follow me, carry gun body. So now basically waiting carry me go. And then I get eye on top the money. But as it be now, me I'd always get mentality win-win. You know guy won't be, we don't reach here, we don't reach here.
Yeah.
So even if you know win the money, carry something, follow body.
So what you carry follow body now?
More many, but if I start to talk.
You must put me on the know. Or else both of us are gonna die on the line. You must put me on the creative line. You need a lot of funding to bring out your expression and stuff like that. So I don't take that one and judge them. But the kind of things, the kind of action and character why they see them, they display, it won't almost be like do or die something. But Debbie no be like that.
Like
she just did there, as in she just dey flow.
I know there's someone like if your old generation and they vote for her.
In your generation.
Your village, the way they say they pursue that guy, we go to the honor. So okay, before we let Bassey come on, now we'll take our headline news, what they call taking news. Bassey, who you want? I know say you get people you want thank for the support so far. Say you come this far before you enter and everything. So who you want to give your shout out to and thank before you come off for studio?
I go like thank all Nigerians we vote. I know say you know easy, and like I always talk to say I feel vote for myself. I for don't off my account. So I thank everybody we vote, everybody we campaign, even by word of mouth. I thank you. Now keep me from week 2 to week 9, and every experience where I get, they always expose a different part of my life. So thank you very much, Naija, for watching Big Brother Naija. You know, thank you very much. Keep watching. The game never finished. Now next week. Thank you, DSTV. Thank you, Africa Magic. Thank you, everybody. God bless us.
Bassey, just announce your social media handles, Twitter, Instagram, so that people go follow you. They see more. From now on, all your fans.
Did they plan any single in the 1, 2, 3 weeks time?
Of course, now I go.
Because they ought to. Before Nigerians go slumber, as they ought.
Alright, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, I go by Black Bassey at Black Bassey on Instagram, at Bassey BB Naija on Twitter. I go so open Snapchat, so hold up, you already know.
One begin snap. One begin to the snap with the shots,
Alright, Bassey, thank you for coming, and of course we wish you the best in every other way they do. Of course, so we will see the relate as time they go on with other things, and only the best now they wish you. We will take technically news now. Busy don't day here. Don't forget between 10 and 11 o'clock, Action Naija they come. You got opportunity to win movie ticket to go watch the movie Kong. And also don't watch King Kong in those days. This current one, if you never watch them. You never any watch any King Kong film. When I watch that for cinema, I start the open mouth. So we'll give people ticket. You won't win ticket. Watch out for Action Naija between 10 to 11. For now, technically news to come next. Don't touch your dial. Godwin and Sabina still there inside studio for morning runs on Top Naija.